Welcome, folks. So this is Plant-B09, and it is grown in a 5-inch net pot. Now the net pot is so big that the regular container, I actually had to cut the opening a little bit wider to accommodate the pot. Oh, if you look at this 70 ounce right here, well, since the reservoir isn't transparent, how do you know how much to fill? And you cannot fill the pot's water so high that the bottom of the pot is sitting in the water. So this is filled by weight. I use a kitchen food scale. I would place this entire, what do you call this thing? Plant with the reservoir onto the scale, lift the plant up, and then read the scale. And fill the scale until it says 70 ounce. And that is exactly the amount of water needed. So the water level in the jar, in the reservoir, is just maybe 1/4 of an inch below the bottom of the pot. So there you go. That's what the 70 OZ means for those sharp-eyed individuals watching this video. Now you may notice right off the bat that there is this picture right here. This is the result of overfeeding. Before I converted over to the C-Max and seaweed extract, oh, by the way, full disclaimer, if you only have one plant and you want to fertilize it and you're hearing this video, oh geez, 1/4 strength to 1 gallon plus seaweed extract, I'm going to fill the pitchers. If your plant dies, your fault. Don't blame me. This technique works for me. No guarantee it'll work for you. Okay, just sharing my 2 cents there. I would recommend very dilute. I heard in nature they eat ants. So maybe have a colony of ants. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so to start off, I am going to remove this ugly pitcher. So I'm going to turn it this way, let's see which is better, this way. So you can see, I'm going to reach the base of the pitcher. Just follow the arch, feel by feel, and then once I know I'm there, cut, and there you go. Ugly pitcher, gone. And right underneath there's a developing pitcher, so I'll leave that. And then you will also notice there's another developing pitcher right here. So now we have open space for both of them. And to encourage this one to grow this way, I'm going to move this leaf underneath the pitcher so it's not obstructed, and it will continue nicely. There you go. Move this pitcher a little bit to the left so it's nice and arranged. If it doesn't stay, it's okay. Turn it a little bit. Do I see anything unusual? Nope. This pitcher is growing well. Nothing here. Nothing here. There is this little tiny pitcher down here that's not doing anything because it is growing in the understories of other leaves and foliage. It's not seeing the light of day or the light of the LEDs. So it's not photosynthesizing. So, oh, by the way, when you're caring for these plants, the leaves and the pictures can be brittle, and you saw firsthand this thing just snapped because I overdid it. There you go. Lesson learned. So what am I going to do with this pitcher? Am I going to leave it? No, I'm not. I'm going to gently maneuver it so that it's on this side. So when it does grow and develop, this pitcher will replace this pitcher. Will take its place right here. There you go, this one. And then on the daily, I'm going to look at this little pitcher as it develops and gently move it and coax it into its new position. Alright, anything else? Let me see. Nope. Nope. Okay, so overall everything looks good. I'm going to leave these alone. Well, actually I'm not. I'm going to remove this one. It doesn't need it. And since this one is already growing, this one's growing this way, okay, we're good. Alright, happy. Now before I put it back in its place, I'm going to feed it this pitcher here and this pitcher here. Dilute it. There you go. And then if I turn it this way, I have 2 more mouths to feed. A little bit here, a little bit here. Fill it up. And I'll go ahead and fill this pitcher as well. I don't worry too much about this because it is an older pitcher. So there you go. Alright folks, so what do you think of this one? Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching and have a good day.